automation, machine learning, maximizing use of digital with minimal human intelligence would see most momentum post-COVID. Are we going to see less human? As digital space grows, will focus on security also increase? What is your intake on these? That's from Umakant.
Yeah, look, certainly, Umakant, certainly over the last 18 months, with digital kind of becoming just increasing in relevance and scale, AI machine learning has also just also been increasing very significantly over the last. I think it's something which has started even before COVID, that AI machine learning had started to move from what I call POCs, proof of concept, to POS, proof of scale. So that was something which was already beginning to happen, but has certainly picked up speed. But I would not say, Umakant, that it is replacing human intelligence. Yeah, I think to me, it's very misleading, and it kind of, it's kind of, it's not really, kind of understanding the situation fully. It is certainly replacing human effort in many cases, and that's really what technology has been doing, since wheel was invented, whenever, many, tens of thousands of years back, with the rise of technology, it is replacing human effort and and to channelize in a more efficient and effective manner, which is also what AI is doing. Yeah, but I don't think it takes away human intelligence. I think what it certainly means is that it raises the bar for how we as professionals, where we can add value. It raises the bar for that. Yeah. So let me give you a concrete example. Now, with the rise of AI and machine learning, well, what was the traditional space for, let's say, analytics is perhaps shrinking, because you have a lot of self-learning models. You're not always tuning them and validating them, and there are a lot of pre-built models. But all of this is now really kind of really having a deep impact on what is the business layer. Yeah, and what traditionally has been seen as a consulting layer. Yeah, so there is a lot more to be done in terms of, okay, I now have a lot more data. It is a lot more available on a real-time basis. I can drive not just insights, but actions from that. Now, what does it mean for my business? What does it mean for my customers in terms of what services I can offer to them, how I can solve their pain points, and eventually in terms of a business model? There is a lot more to be done there. Yeah. So something may shrink, but something else is definitely opening up, and that has been the nature of the technology and human interaction for the last thousands of years, and I don't see that changing. Now, it is also a question of who moved my cheese. That if one gets stuck in that oh, this is what I was doing, this was my skill, and oh, this is getting shrunk because of AI or other technology, yeah, then it is getting shrunk. Yeah, but if one is adaptive, and which is really the first point I made in this conversation, that's what COVID taught me, that you have to be constantly adaptive. Yeah, if you're adaptive, if you have this opportunity mindset, then I think I see there is very little risk of human extinction because of AI. I very much see them as mutually complementary and reinforcing kind of trends.